So the doctor says I have to lay off the caffeine. It's like a jet stream of screaming pain when I pee. Sonic, buddy, pal, you're fired. Clean out your desk by 3. What? Shadow, can I see you in here for a power meeting? Not going to... Shadow, I'll get right to the point. We want you to star in your own game. Really? That's awesome. Shadow the Hedgehog. And here's your gun. Thanks a lot. Gun? I don't know how to use one of those. Sure you do, because you're, you know... What? My black fur? No, no, no! You've got street cred! God, it's bad enough you've got me in these rocket sneakers. I suppose the rings are now bling bling. Actually, they're fruit now. Watermelon slices.